Good morning, magandang umaga. Welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today we are fortunate to be in town for Barangay Anilao's annual Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! How are you?
How are you today?
How are you?
How are you? Dropping na ngayon. Yan ang SW Day.
Busted! Basil! Happy Fiesta! Thank you. Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! Happy Fiesta! Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Barangay Anilao's annual Fiesta. Now, the Fiesta wasn't just that small section that you saw where we went into a lot of the folks' house and we joined in with the procession, but it actually was a compilation of 2 days of events. And the first day event was the big event was the night before that, which they had a bunch of people that came in and did competition, some local talent that we had, and some talent from around the Luzon area that came in to compete for vocalists doing singing and things like that. And congratulations to the ones who actually won. And everyone who participates is a winner in our barangay here in the barangay of Anilao. Anyway, so I also want to thank very much for the invitation that came in from the barangay captain who visited us the weekend before and asked us if we would participate, both myself and our HOA president, Eddie Cantada, who was driving in the other golf cart that you saw as we went through the barangay for the fiesta. And also the invite from our good friend Ramil Rivera from the Knights of Columbus in Barangay NLL as well for inviting us to come inside. And most of all, I want to thank all the wonderful families inside the barangay for inviting us into their homes to enjoy the festive event of Fiesta with them, and all the food that they had and the conversation. It was just wonderful. We live in a wonderful barangay here in the Philippines. So I just want to go one more thing and say we have a couple exciting episodes that are going to be coming up. We're still doing the follow-on episodes for that light gauge steel home build series. We're gonna try to wrap it up relatively soon, and we have a new one that we're working on right now, a very interesting design, a very European French type of design. I won't give too much away from that, but we have that one coming up here in the upcoming weeks and months ahead, as well as being part of our new home build series. That's about it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little MPID heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and you'll be notified if you ring that bell the next time I upload a new video. So until this time from right here in the very beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right, and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.